Hello, sure. My name is Kofifa Indah Rahma. I want to present an improvement tax regarding the traditional approach to education. Traditional approaches to education, especially learning, are often ineffective because they rely too heavily on lecture and quizzes that exploit the human aspect of the learning process. Although educational technology has advanced rapidly, many learning systems still focus on mechanical information delivery and do not emphasize the way humans naturally learn. The authors argue that to improve the effectiveness of learning, we must return to story and scenario-based methods. Stories can create empathy, personal meaning, and deeper engagement than click and quiz-based process. Scenario or story-based learning can simulate real-world experience, accelerate skill acquisition, and better prepare learning to handle complex situations. For example, the authors saw how real stories can be more memorable and immersive than click-based learning, such as in the case of Stephen and Ross, who had a misunderstanding at the bank. This human-centered learning experience can improve learners' understanding and behavior more effectively than traditional modules. Finally, the authors call for a change in learning design, emphasizing the need to tell relevant and emotional human stories to empower and motivate people in education. To improve the effectiveness of learning, we need to change the traditional approach that often relies on lecture and quiz with the methods that emphasizes the human aspect of the learning process. Here are solutions that can be applied to integrate story-based and scenario-based approaches in learning. Number one, story-based learning design, meaning development learning modules that incorporate relevant and emotional human stories. Stories should be designed to create personal connection and empathy and describe real situations that learning can experience using real case studies and narrative that allow learners to understand and feel complex situations that are relevant to the material being studied. Number two, learning scenario development, meaning learning experience that involve simulation and interactive scenarios. These scenarios solve depict real-world situations that record problem solving and decision making. Implementing role-playing exercises where learning can play a role in scenarios that reflect real world challenge, allowing them to apply skill in practical contexts. Number three, inserting emotional engagement, meaning creating interactive element in the story, such as choice that affect the course of the story to increase engagement and motivate learning. Crafting stories that highlight the emotional and social aspect of the learning topic so that students feel more connected to the material. Number four, adopting active learning methods, meaning adopt a problem-based approach where students are faced with the real problems and must use their knowledge and skill to solve them. Encourage students to work in group project and collaboration, which can deepen their understanding through interaction and discussion. Number 5, evaluation and feedback, meaning replace traditional quizzes with project-based assessment that assess understanding and appreciation of knowledge in more complex contexts. Provide constructed and specific feedback related to the appreciation of skill in complex scenarios and projects. Number 6, teacher training and support, meaning provide training for the teacher on how to design and deliver story beside and scenario based material effectively. Provide resources and guidance for teachers to integrate story based method in their learning. Number 7, utilization of advanced technology, meaning integrate gamification elements to make story besides learning more than engaging and motivational. By integrating this solution, we can make learning more effective, relevant, and engaging, and provide a more immersive and meaningful experience for learners. Story and scenario beside approaches help learn better understand the context of the material and prepare them for real-world challenge. Thank you for attention me.